Welcome to another video from Gweilo 60. You'll notice that my sound is a little bit off today, just for the fact that I've taken my Road-Link mic off because we are going rafting down the river, and I wanted to make my GoPro waterproof once again. Yes, it hasn't been waterproof for, well, since I bought it, but the idea that we're going rafting and we're going through, we're going on a number 3 run, which means she's gonna get wet. Weifang is going on a number 2 with Enrico because he's got a bad back and she's not sure of her bravery for a number 3, I guess. So I'm gonna be Pan's partner today, and we're gonna go down a river, and this should be entertaining. I have never gone, like, I have to admit, I've never gone river rafting before in my life, and I'm going to be 60 years old on July 11th this year, so this is a first thing for me. You know, that's part of being a YouTuber too. You get to start doing all of these things, like swinging out over Vietnam, back over China, back over Vietnam, like a crazy person. You know, going through caves, ice caves, just all of the weird shit that you got to do to entertain you guys, you know what I mean? Or show you, not really entertain you, but sort of show you the life of a person in a place like mainland China, and especially in Guangxi province where I reside now. And because that COVID-19 has reared its ugly frickin' head again, I guess we're not going anywhere. You know, flights are being canceled again. People are being locked down again. People are being quarantined again. All of this shit is hitting the fan again. So what are we going to do? We're going to go river rafting instead. So bear with me. I'll be right back with my boat and my partner. So here we are. We're going the whole road. 1, 2, and 3 areas. For the first 2 areas, we have a paddler. And this is our paddler. What's your name?
Oh, Luo Shu. Uncle Luo.
Oh, Uncle Luo.
Yeah.
Ah, Uncle Luo. So he's taking us for the first, but they won't go on the 3rd one because they're scared, I guess. So I want to know, you guys, do you like my hat? I'm sitting in the back of the boat, like you know, Superman, Gweilo, King Gweilo. The Ice King from the ice caves of Guangxi province, and just chilling, man. Yeah. It's all fun and games until somebody catches a fish. Well, this is about as nice as you can get in China, you know what I mean? Like, you're cruising down a river, there's wilderness on, and you're in the bottom of a gorge for sure. There's wilderness everywhere, and look at the size of the trees and the leaves and the, like, seriously, guys. Wow. It looks like it might rain too, but then there's sunshine. So we got about a 50-50 chance of rain. And into a cave, guys. Wow. We're going under a mountain, and we're hitting every rock at night. Yeah. Okay. There we go. And that's where we were. And here we come out the other end of this cave. And that's the end of the first part of this little journey. The second part is supposed to be even more dangerous, and the third part is supposed to be even more dangerous. We'll have to wait and see, but that was pretty neat going through the cave, even though usually there's light in there, they say, but the power's out, so no light for you, boy and girl. Snakes in the trees, guys. Oh yeah. Are they bad snakes? We got snakes in the trees here, guys. Just little ones, but that don't mean that they can't be deadly. Do you think they're poisonous?
No, I think not.
Well, Maybe.
Your eyes. Your eyes.
Just about lost her there, boys and girls. We got her under control. We got the best driver of all of them. And he hasn't been drinking, as he said, but I couldn't understand what he said, so like, whatever. Here we go, boys and girls. And into another cave. And our driver's been drinking once again. Now this cave is twice as long as the last cave. Do we have power? Do we or do we not? Looking good. Doing a good job there, Timo's over here. Well, he was doing good till he ran into the wall and then the boys and got us all wet and, you know,
Oh, they have logging.
seeing there was stuff here a long time ago because look at the bricks and cement and stuff. So obviously they had plans for this area back in the day. Don't think they do anymore. That would be way fun. You see the bats on the roof? Right up to the right hand side. Right there. Look at the bats on the roof.
You take the line.
See, look at the bats on the roof.
Oh, that's bad.
Yeah, look at the bats. You can see them, eh? Look at the bats. Look at all the bats. Oh yeah, bat baby. Wow. Those little buggers.
Huh? Okay.
Here we are coming out of the second tunnel, and that one was what, 360 meters long. So it was twice as long as the one before. Yes, sirree. What an experience. They got a rope across the river, so obviously we're in for a portage coming up here before we can take off again. This is I think the end of the second level, and the third level is the scary level. That's the one I've been looking forward to. Let's go play. This could be interesting. They won't let us take our glasses. So like, and stuff in our pockets. Kenny. I gotta give her my money. Gotta give her everything. You sign for me. So when you gotta sign a waiver. Or, oh wait, if you die, it's not our fault. This could be entertaining as hell. Well, we made it to the end of stage 3, And it's a good thing I didn't take the GoPro, because all I could do was hang on. Like, seriously. There's some areas when we had to go through this cave over here, over there, that is over half a kilometer long, that we had to paddle our way through. But other than that, it was knuck and futz, I tell you. It was crazy. Just about straight down in areas. We got as wet as you could get, type thing. So there's another video from Gweilo 6. If you like this video, you know the score. Like, comment, subscribe, push that share button, and thanks for watching. Never forget to put a couple bucks in the children's Patreon account. It's for a good cause. Poor rural Chinese children, they just need a helping hand. Oh, and thanks for watching. Bye now.